Today I'm going to show you how to reset your display time in a Boss audio system aftermarket radio. So first, to make sure your vehicle's turned on, which this currently is, and then from your home screen here on the top you'll see the time. You'll just be able to push it directly to show the bigger display, and then push it back to turn this on. And then in settings you can adjust the time zone, the date and time. So we'll do date and time, and then here is your date. So if you want the day, the month, or the year to change, you just select it. And then for the time, same thing, up or down as needed. They're your hours, your minutes, and then your AM or PM. And if you prefer military time, you can switch it here. And you can see it just adjusting in real time in the corner. But that's it. I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.